What I'm going to talk about is relating to what I did share in the morning already, and I'm going to use myself as an example. Um, so basically, when you want to kind of figure out, because what you what you're gonna realize at some point in your trading career is that you will find out that trading is not about technicals. Okay, I know most of you are not at that point yet, but I'm just giving you the heads up so that you kind of prepare your mindset for it. Okay, you will get to a point, maybe some of you are not, but you will get to a point where trading will not be about technicals. What do I mean by technicals? You have no problem identifying trades, but it will all be mindset. Okay, aligning your mindset, aligning your lifestyle to fit whatever you're doing. And to use myself as an example, you will, or myself, when I was starting, okay, I was not married, I had no baby. Okay, so I had lots of time on my hands, and that helped me to kind of steady and spend more time on the chart. So I had the freedom to do a lot of things, a lot of mistakes, and get myself back on track, blow a few accounts, and still get myself back on track because I had no kind of commitments. But then it gets to a point where your life you get commitments in your life, and you will be forced to trade differently. And what do I mean? Okay, so you will get maybe I know I'm not supposed to put it in, but it is reality. Okay, I want to be real with you guys. You get yourself a wife, or you get yourself a girlfriend, or you're gonna get some commitment that's gonna take some part of you. Okay, some part of you, meaning it's gonna require you to spend some time outside doing something else. And maybe during those time that you're spending outside or doing something else, those will be the time that the market will be moving in the direction that you want the price to move, and you will not be in it. Okay, and that is what is going to be the mindset problem that you're going to encounter. Not everybody does, but if you happen to trade for a while, you will encounter that, because life keeps evolving. You're gonna keep developing. You're not gonna be the same as you are now. So you will get to a point where your lifestyle will be different from the way you are now. So then you will have to adapt your lifestyle to the market. So with myself, when I got married, I had to adapt. I had to spend some time with my wife, and I have to spend some time taking her here, taking her there, and then sometimes by the time I do that, that's when exactly the market is moving, and that's where I need to be in front of the screen, but I'm not. And it becomes frustrating. Okay, and that is the mindset challenge that you're gonna encounter. Okay, so it's a heads up for you to be aware of it so that you can plan, and once you get there, you will not have the hiccups that I did, because I did encounter a bit of challenges trying to fit the trading around my lifestyle, where when my wife said let's go out, I'm like, nope, I have to trade. But family comes first, so you cannot trade when you have to do family commitments. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to explain to you, that those situations will come. Yeah, those situations is gonna come, and you need to be prepared for it, because if you're not, it's gonna cause you some mental problems, it's going to cause you some emotional problems, and it will lead you to do certain things that you're not supposed to do in your trading. And it can cause a whole lot of things, and even doubt in your mind that is this really even what you want to do. Okay, so it's something that you need to plan ahead, so that when you do hit that level, you can get yourself you plan yourself ahead, so you know what to do when you get there. And most of it will be like your trading style, where maybe you can spend time on the 15 minutes chart, okay, and looking for some trades. But then once those commitments comes in, those things that will stop you from being in front of the screen, when they come in, you cannot spend time on the 15 minutes. You might see some beautiful setups, okay, but you cannot be in it, because at the time that you will be taking the trade, you will not be in front of the screen. Okay, by the time you be taking the trade, you will not be in front of the screen, and that will cause you to be worry, because then you'll be thinking, okay, what's the point of me doing this? Because if I not be in front of the screen when the trades that I need to take are going on, then why am I even doing this? Okay, so that's when you would need to prioritize what you need to do. So best thing is, okay, if you are at that stage, then probably it's best to scale down and say, okay, yes, I understand I want to trade, but price is fractal. So if I cannot be on the 15 minutes and I have so many commitments, then I can drop up to the, or push up to the 4-hour time frame or the hourly, so that all my setups I'll be looking for them on the 4-hour or the hourly, so that when the trade that I want to take form on the hourly time frame, I could be there to take the trades. Okay, it's not going to be on the 15 minutes where I'm going to miss the trade, but it's going to be on the hourly or the 4-hour, because they do take time to form. I might find myself sitting in front of the screen when they do form, so then I'll take advantage of it. Okay, so this is just a heads up for everyone that is trading, and if you are not there yet, you might get there, and if you are there, then this is a little help to push you to the right direction. It's nothing to do with you, it's just the lifestyle, and we kind of have to adapt. Okay, and adapting means you have to change your style of trading to fit your lifestyle. All right.